Okay, here we go. By the way, are we all noticing this judgmental party over here? Just stared me down. What do you want? Honestly, ponies and Paw Patrol, so judgmental. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys an OG YouTube classic, which is a nighttime routine. I'd asked you guys on Insta story what video you wanted to see next, and the overwhelming majority of you guys wanted to see a nighttime routine, so here we are. And I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by Neutrogena. Big thanks to them. I've worked with them before on other videos and used their products for years and years and years. So big thanks to Neutrogena for keeping the lights on in RachhLoves. Probably not literally, because I don't think they are actually electricians. So we're gonna do a little bit of everything today. It is 5:04. I meant to start this at 5 o'clock and I'm already late. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff. You guys are gonna see the mess in my, like you probably can already see it in the lineup of judgy Judgersons over here. We're gonna do dinner, I'm gonna do skincare of course. We're gonna share with you all the messy little things that go into my nighttime routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you wanna see like a morning routine next or something. And without further ado, let's get into this. So before I actually like lift up my camera and take you guys around with me, I thought I would share with you guys a little bit around like what my like routine is. And I use air quotes because there's a lot of spontaneity that's involved in my life right now. I wish so much that I had an actual routine, like something that I did every night consistently and was the same thing. I'm such a creature of habit. But with the spontaneity of being a mom and doing YouTube and all these other things, every night is a little bit different. So for me, it kind of depends on what I've been filming that day. So for me, I've been filming, but not like a full day wear test. So I think what I'm gonna do first before the kids get home is I'm going to take off my makeup. And I like to do this when I'm done filming for the day because it sort of creates like an end, like a stopping point for me from going from doing YouTube stuff to doing like mom stuff. I mean, I will be doing some editing and stuff later tonight, but we'll get into that later. Okay, so now let's go upstairs and take off my makeup. So makeup removal time. So I'm gonna go upstairs to the bathroom, which is right in here. Oh, you can see I've been cleaning up all of my brushes. Now let's set this down so I can actually take off my makeup properly. It's gonna be very wobbly footage. Okay, so now that we're set up, I think I'm gonna start by taking, first I'm gonna take off my false lashes. These are by Lily Lash. They're the can ones, my absolute go-tos. Whoop. It's like bird feathers on my eyeballs. Now I'm going to remove my makeup using the Neutrogena Makeup Removing Cleansing Wipes. These are the hydrating ones. And I like these ones because they take off everything, but they're not gonna leave my skin feeling really tight and very dry, but not greasy either. It's like a nice in-between. Literally just like barely touch my face and look at that. Wowza. So I'm just gonna use this. And I'm just gonna remove all the makeup off my eyeballs. Look at this. Whoa, by the way, it feels so nice to have a makeup remover that doesn't sting my eyes. I don't wanna have to apply one to my eyes and one to my face. I mean, I'll apply 3 serums to my face, but I will only use 1 makeup remover. That's apparently where I draw the line in my skincare routine. And now that all of my makeup is basically off now, all over this disgusting cloth, we're gonna go on to now one of my favorite cleansers. This is by Neutrogena. This is their Deep Clean Purifying Clay Mask and Cleanser. Oh my gosh. Like I don't get that excited about cleansers often, but this one. I talked about in a video ages ago talking about underrated products. I felt like no one was ever talking about this and it's so good. I'm just gonna splash a little water on my face, but the product has these clays in it that are going to draw any of the oils and impurities out of your skin, but it also is going to clean out each and every single one of your pores. So you can use it as like a treatment mask. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll just like put this all over my face and let it sit there and just chill for like 5-10 minutes and then rinse it away, or I'll use it as a regular cleanser. I just find like my pores are smaller, my skin looks cleaner and glowier. I don't know, it's just like a really good cleanser. So you can just like leave it on your skin like so, but I'm actually gonna go in and do another mask because I'm extra. All right, look at that. Nice clean skin. By the way, I'm using these cheap towels because I don't trust myself with my pretty white towels with my soft tan. Okay, this keeps like almost falling off of the counter. So I think what I'm gonna do tonight, I have to do a little bit of like tidying up and cleaning up while the kids get back here and Chris starts dinner, which we'll go downstairs. We'll check on that in a little bit. There's something that speaks to my type A personality that when I'm cleaning, I'm also doing something for my skin. It's just like a double whammy that I really like. So today I'm gonna be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrogel Mask. This is a sheet mask that has hyaluronic acid in it. Is going to just soak up into your skin. I find it's really good because I have a dehydrated skin. It's parched all the time.
And because it's drawing water into the skin, it's not going to feel greasy. It's going to plump up the skin. It's going to make it just glowy. And then I'll either go on and go into makeup if it's the beginning of the day and I just like for a special occasion or something, or I'll go into the rest of like my nighttime skincare routine. So today, we mask. I'm gonna be honest, usually I let Luke do this part. He likes to like touch the mask and sometimes he'll help me like apply it to my face. But he's swimming, so too bad. Sometimes I'll even take, there's like this little flap here and you can put it over your lips and it's gonna hydrate your lips too, which is awesome. But we are vlogging right now and I can't do that. Actually, it sounds like the kiddos are home, so I'm gonna go and actually do dinner prep right now while I have the mask on, and then I'll take it off and we'll go back to skincare. Christopher is back. Hello.
Hi.
And he's making smash burgers, which are delicious. And I know it looks counterintuitive to smash burgers, but it makes them so awesome. Also note the hockey player on his little burger flipper. By the way, all the tomatoes come from this garden that Chris and Julia and Luke have all been like very diligently watering, and then the squirrel, wherever it is, keeps eating all my tomatoes. But I'm gonna go over here, we're gonna pick some of the lettuce for the burgers. This is the best part about summertime, is having fresh lettuce and tomato and cucumbers and stuff. I'm gonna use this lettuce over here. Just rip off some pieces. Oh, yes. There we go, that should do it. We also have French fries in here, which are just smelling delicious. And we're back. The kids couldn't stop staring at it and trying to take it off my face, but I prevailed. I'm gonna take off my face mask now and go on to the rest of my skincare routine. Oh my gosh, it feels so much better. Whoo, hydrated. Now I'm very extra when it comes to my skincare routine, but usually this whole step doesn't take me more than like a minute because, you know, small tiny humans running around. But they're right now helping Chris kind of like dress up their burgers, so we'll kind of go over all the products a little bit. So I start with an essence and I like to rotate through different ones, but the one that I'm using right now, this is by Biotherm. It is their Aqua Source Intense Regenerating Serum Moisturizer Glow. An essence I usually apply before a serum. It's lighter, it's filled, like packed full of ingredients that are going to make your skin better. So I'm just gonna put a couple of drops in my hands and just like pat it onto my skin. And now onto serums, and I like to layer serums. I like as much stuff on my face that's going to like work together as possible. So first I'm gonna use a little bit of the Caudalie Premier Cru. This is a serum. I am almost done it. It's been a good one. Again, I'm just gonna like pat it into the skin, even on the neck, because you know, neck is also skin. I do not want wrinkles on my neck. And then next we're going into the Neutrogena Hydro Boost and Multivitamin Booster. I've talked about this one before. This one has tons of hyaluronic acid. It's just going to plump up the skin, boost it up, and it feels so good on the skin. And then also bringing it down into the neck and the chest area. For cream today, I'm going to be using this one by IT Cosmetics. This is their secret sauce one. I've been trying this one out for the last I want to say month or two, and it's been a really good one. I've been enjoying this one, so I'm going to take like a dollop of it, and again, apply it to the skin. Always make sure you're applying the skincare up. Gravity is dragging it down. You want to lift it up. A little Estee Lauder eye cream, and then I'm going to go into a jade roller. I've been testing this out. What do you guys think of jade rollers? Do you like them? Do you not like them? I'm still in the middle of like trying the whole system out and seeing what I think. So far, it feels very nice. I do like it. And I'm just rolling, and it's supposed to push the products into the skin. It's supposed to just help your skin overall just absorb the ingredients better. So that's what we're gonna do today. Now that my skin is nice and glowing, all my makeup is off, I'm gonna go down and we're gonna go and do dinner. I can have burgers and fries, so I'm excited. It's not the healthiest meal we've ever made, but oh man, it's delicious. Look, there's a squirrel outside. Now it is the time of night when we put the kids to bed, so it's about 7:30 now. And so now it's bath time, we brush our teeth, say prayers, we go to bed, and we do story times and things like that. And then we go into phase 2, which is editing. Actually, phase 2 today may be cleaning up the disaster in my kitchen. All right, now that the kiddos are asleep, I'm going to go and tackle this messy kitchen while this tiger judges me. And I like to watch shows on my computer while I do that, so I'm just gonna set everything up and just chill, unwind, get this kitchen looking a little bit better. And while I continue to do dishes, I am also gonna put on cookies. Obviously, I'm putting on cookies. Literally for my birthday, my mother-in-law made me cookie dough that I could put in the freezer. That's how much I love cookies. So we're gonna put these in to bake while I finish up, while I finish up cleaning. Okay, kitchen is clean, and now cookies. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I need to eat it. Oh, it's so hot. So hot! Before we go and edit, I have to show you guys the one thing that I will do without question every single night. I am obsessed with this. It is the only thing that actually like makes my back feel better. This right here is an absolute lifesaver. I've talked about it on RachhLoves Life before, and it's called a foam roller. My sister got it for me, and basically I lie it out like this and I will like roll my back over it, and it like cracks it all and puts it into place. And like right now I can feel my back hurting, and I know as soon as I do this, it'll feel so much better. Just like this, everyone. Just right over the back. Oh, I can hear it cracking. Now I have to do my editing thing. So I do all of my editing right here. You may have recognized this. I have filmed in this room before. I have all my editing stuff here. I have all my SD. Look how many SD cards. They just stay right here. Also bobby pins. I have my cookies. I am set to go. And I'll just sit here for the next hour or so and do some editing. And then Chris and I will usually go over our plan for the next day, because again, every day is different. But I think actually tomorrow we're going to my parents' place, so that's all like set and done. It's gonna be like a fam jam kind of day. Then Chris and I will go and we'll sit and we'll always watch, like, either we'll listen to a comedian for a bit or we'll do puzzles. Like I do puzzles. Wow, I sound like I'm 80. There's an app on my phone that's called 7 Little Words, and it's like a kind of like a puzzle game. It's pretty fun. And sometimes we'll sit down and we'll watch a show, usually a comedy or something that's just funny. You don't have to think about it kind of stuff. I don't do anything scary. So if you have any recommendations, help a girl out, leave me a comment. Okay, now editing is done, so all I have to do now is to just brush my teeth because I added in my skincare. And now I'm going to put on my favorite lip mask. This is by Laneige. It's their lip sleeping mask. It's my absolute favorite, and I'm basically entirely out. I'm like scraping the bottom now. Okay, now pajamas. Ta-da! Is it really any different than the shirt that I was just wearing? Cute pajamas are not my thing. And then when I go to bed, I always listen to, I know this is really weird, but I always listen to a comedian before I go to bed. It's usually like Michael McIntyre, John Mulaney, something like that. And I listen to it, and I don't know what it always puts me out like that. Is there anything that you guys do before bed that is like a must-have thing that's part of your nighttime routine? I want to know. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And big thanks to Neutrogena for collaborating with me and supporting this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed if you are not already. And that's everything. I hope you guys are having an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah. Oh my gosh, almost forgot to take out my contact lenses. That would have been bad. Has anyone slept in their contact lenses before? It isn't great. Also, best believe that I'm not taking my hair out of my braids. I'm gonna leave these things in for as long as humanly possible. Any bets on if it will stay like this by morning time? Oh my gosh, I hope so. Good night, guys.